What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I just wanted to give you a quick little tip that I used during my recovery. Hopefully it can help some of you out. It's nothing extravagant, but I think it's very valuable if you can harness it and use it in the right way. Some of these things are little, right? But they can make big differences in your recovery. So I wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys are having a beautiful weekend. I'm actually at the grocery store going to pick up some things for dinner right after I finish recording. But guys, you know what time it is. If you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt, smash the like button down below. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this tool. Like I said, maybe it's not for everybody, but some of you can get some good out of it if you apply it every single day. So during my recovery, I started to actually visualize my life post-recovery. Now, this isn't the whole tip. This isn't the whole trick. This is just the first component. First, I want you to visualize your life post anxiety, right? Post anxiety recovery even. Maybe you're stronger. Maybe you're in better shape. Maybe you're eating better. Maybe you're more positive. Maybe you're more thankful. Maybe you're more in the present moment. In fact, for a lot of you, you're going to improve in all those areas. Remember what I say in a lot of my videos. I believe anxiety is a sign that you need to grow, that you need to transform, that you need to level up. I've been huge on this. So visualize who that person is. What are you going to look like on the other side of recovery? Now, first of all, that's going to, bring up and sprout some positivity automatically. But this is the kicker. This is what I really want you to do. So now that you visualize what you're going to look like post-anxiety, I want you to put yourself there, and I want you to look back at your anxiety days, which you're technically still going through, right? Or your recovery. And I want you to think about how thankful you are to have gone through that to get you to where you are now during your visualization, right? So it's a little bit of make-believe, a little bit of, imagination, but it's great. It worked wonders for me. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to work for everybody, but it starts with visualizing your life post-anxiety and then actually putting yourself in that moment and then thinking about your anxiety days or your anxiety journey or anxiety recovery and now being thankful that you went through it. Because now it can kind of do something to your subconscious. It kind of confuses, the usual fearful reactions that we have with our anxiety. Now we're seeing anxiety as an opportunity to grow. Now we're seeing anxiety as something that we needed to go through to get to this amazing place that we're in now, if that makes any sense. I know I was a little all over the place with that, but hopefully some of you grasp onto this. First, you visualize, then you put yourself in that post-anxiety recovery place, and you look back on the anxiety that you're technically still going through, and you act with gratitude, and you're thankful for having gone through that to get you to where you are now. Anyways, it's little things like this that can help you with your recovery, and I want to share everything I have. But guys, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I plan on recording again tomorrow. I'm trying to get back to my daily upload grind. Remember, the description down below has tons of information if you want a little bit of extra help with your anxiety recovery. There's free Facebook groups. There's my coaching info. Also, if you've never tried therapy, online therapy is something that's very convenient. You can just do it from home. You can do it from the phone like this. You can use your PC, your laptop, tablet, whatever. You don't even have to leave the house. So it's really, really convenient. So try that out if you've never tried therapy. The link for that's down below as well. But anyways, guys, I love you all. And until next time, keep fighting.